Want to know how to check if a number is a happy number in Java? So let's talk about happy numbers. In this video, I'm going to show you how happy numbers work and how you can find them using Java easily. So a happy number is a number where repeatedly replacing it with the sum of squares of its digits eventually leads to 1. For instance, 19 equals to 1 square plus 9 square equals to 82, and 8 square plus 2 square equals to 68. While 6 square plus 8 square equals to 100, and 1 square plus 0 equals to 1. So that's how it is. In Java, in this question right here, we have used 19 as an example. We use loop to calculate the sum of squares of digits and a hash set to track numbers we have already seen to avoid infinite loops. If we reach 1, it's happy. If we see a repeat, it's not. It's a fun problem that teaches loops, sets of numbers, and manipulation. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can see this code as well. We have done the same thing while we have looped it up using the while loop and using it as 19. So you can just simply print this out. And there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.